welcome viewers. Let's get you the commodity strategy for the day. We have Kunal Shah, Head Commodity Research at Nirmal joining us. Kunal, overall if you go to see right now in terms of equity markets as well, it has been a pretty interesting day of trade. With the kind of slump that we saw, I don't think so any of us actually expected that recovery to come in the last hour of trade. Now, if you have to mirror this to the commodities market, what's the scenario looking like? Because a couple of things that are impacting. You have the earnings largely that have been disappointing. You have coronavirus as well, which is having an impact on global markets, which in turn is having an impact on the metals as a sector as well.
I think today's movement in commodities market, the highlight was the Russia again attacking some parts of the Ukraine, and that has triggered some geopolitical concerns, fear. So I think because of that, gold prices have moved up, and that has took some fear in the other risky asset class. So today, for the today evening session, we believe that gold can again move up and test levels of 41,250. So one can go long at around 40,950 and expect prices to test levels of 41,250. As far as other commodities are concerned, I believe that crude oil looks weak to us. Every day we are seeing the negative news flow coming from China. Today morning also we've seen another 1800 cases have been registered. Although in last 3 days the trend is, earlier it was 2100, now yesterday 1900, today 1800.
The number of cases is reducing.
Yes, the number of cases are reducing, but at the same time what this is basically doing in Hubei province, where the center of this crisis, they've stopped, came up with a mandate there. The cars are not allowed until there is some emergency. So this is definitely going to take a negative hit on the demand of gasoline also. So I think crude sentimentally can go down and test levels of 3650 to 3630 on MCX. Stop loss should be placed at 3730. So I think for today evening session, going long in gold and selling crude oil should be a good strategy.
These will be two good strategies. But from a longer term perspective as well, if you have to talk about gold right now, where do you see it? If someone has to take an horizon of the next 1 to 2 months, what is the trend looking like? Because it has been a volatile week, at least in terms of where gold is concerned right now.
It's a very good question, because you asked me for 1 or 2 months, not for 2 years. For 1 or 2 months, I see wherever this coronavirus crisis moderates, the number of cases declines, say from 1800 to 1500, 1500 to 1200. If that kind of things happen, I think gold prices are going to go down. Because if you look at from the demand and supply point of view, the India and China, which are the major consumers of gold, they are having a major drop in demand. So it's just that the fear premium which is getting built in gold. So it's just a matter of time where you see this number of cases declining and gold prices should go down from there. So we are optimistic going forward that this number of cases should decline, and that shall lead to a profit taking in gold.
It's a profit taking in gold, so I think none of the men should buy any gold jewelry for their women right now and wait for the next 1 to 2 months till the gold prices decline further. But thanks Kunal for getting us that update. So that's the strategy that you should be using for today in terms of where gold as well as crude is concerned. Thanks for watching, and you could be subscribing to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.